Hey everyone, this is Michael Tritthart, International Technology Instructor, and I want to let you know about a free coaching session that we have coming your way. This is going to be on Tuesday, November 12th from 2 to 3 p.m. Central Time. It's going to be with myself and my business partner, Jeff Kale. And this is a coaching session that is our gratitude, our thanks to you being either a website design client of ours or you've come to my sessions in the past. We want to give you a moment of thanks and to help you build and grow your business for a successful 2025. This coaching session, which will be recorded, and everybody who RSVPs will get a copy when you attend, you're going to get all of the tips and the tricks and the techniques of how to go in and set up a free digital ebook. I'm going to show you how to create that. You go, I don't have anything. It's okay. We're going to create one from nothing. And I'm going to show you how to turn that into a lead capture magnet for your website, also for social media. Jeff is also going to go in and show you some open house techniques with social media. He's also going to talk a little bit about Instagram and Facebook Reels. These are all of the behind the scenes type of training that you don't get anywhere else. Join us for free and build and grow your business to a successful level in 2025 with these tools. Thanks.